Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter. Its good name Constituents of Food. See student, you have learned that foodstuffs have constituents that are useful to us in different ways. Let us learn some more about the constituents of food. See, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates or carbs are sugar molecules along with proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients food in foods. Your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main sources of energy of your bodies, cells and organs. See, materials: a spice, a piece of a potato, tincture of iodine, a dropper. Procedure: add some water to a tincture of iodine to dilute it using a dropper. Put a few drops of it on the piece of potato and observe. What do you see? The piece of potato turns a blackish blue. See in this picture. Starch turns blackish blue when it comes in contact with iodine. So we can infer that there is starch in the potato. So and sweet potato also contain starch. Cereals like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice contain a lot of starch. We obtain flour from this grain. This grain from our staple diet. We get energy from starchy foods. Our body use this energy for different kind of work. This energy also keeps that body suitably warm. Do you know student, when the starchy food we eat are digested, sugar are formed. This sugar burn slowly in all parts of our body, realizing energy. In other words, sugars formed by the digestion of a starch act as a fuel for our body. Why do we feel hungrier in winter than we do in summer? Can you tell student, what substance do we use to give our food a sweet taste? Of the foods what we eat raw, which ones are sweet? See student, sugars. Food stuffs that taste sweet contain different kind of sugars. For example, we can obtain jargy and table sugar from sugarcane because it contains a sugar called source. Ripe fruits like mango, banana, chiku, as also honey and milk also contain various kind of sugars. They too give us energy. Try this student. C. Materials: a fine sieve, some whole wheat flour. Procedure: shift the flour. What do you see? Most of the flour falls through the sieve, but some larger particles are left on the sieve. C. Fiber: when grain like jawar, wheat and ground into a flour, the particles in the flour are not all alike. When the flour is shifted, we find the larger particles left behind on a sieve. These particles are fine pieces of the skin or bran of the grain. Bran is a fibrous substance in the process of digestion. Fiber has a special function. Fibrous substance help the food to move forward in the alimentary canal at the right speed. The undigested food is of one use to the body. Fiber helps to form stool from this undigested food. Fiber is also called roughage. Fruits and vegetables, especially their skin, whole grains and pulses, are all sources of fiber in food. If our food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipation. Up to now, we have learned about three types of substance present in our food: starch, sugar, and fiber. These substances are together called carbohydrates. The most important use of carbohydrate is to provide the body with energy. See: carbohydrates, starch, sugar, fiber. Threads get stuck between the teeth when we eat certain type of mangoes. Which kind of carbohydrates are they use? Materials: see two sheets of white paper, a printed page, a little cooking oil. Procedure: rub a little oil on one of the white sheets. Now place the sheets on the printed page one by one and try to read the matter through each sheet. What do you find? You cannot read the matter through the ordinary sheet, but you can see through the oil sheet of paper. The oil makes the paper translucent. Fats: see, oil is a fatty substance. Paper becomes translucent when a fatty substance is applied to it. Paper becoming translucent is a sign of the presence of fats in the food stuffs kept on it. Fats in our food also provides energy to our body. They give twice as much energy as carbohydrate, but we include a smaller quantity of this constituent in our diet. Cream, butter, ghee, oil are examples of fats. Nuts, meat, eggs, yolk also contain fats. The fats we eat get stored in our body. If food is not available for some time, the body can get energy from the stored fats. There is a layer of fat under our skin. It gives shapes to the body and like a blanket. Also prevents loss of heat from the body. Also prevents loss of heat from the body. Can you tell student why are boxes of fragile articles like TV, refrigerator, light bulbs, glasses, mirrors packed with cardboards, thermocol or bubble wrap? The cardboard, thermocol or bubble wrap protect the fragile articles even when the boxes shake, fall or get heat. The articles inside are not damaged. Similarly, the layer of fat in the body protects our internal organs. An injury from outside does not at once cause damage to our bones or other internal organs. See, do you know, students, one eatable many constituents from every food item in our diet we get several constituents of food. For example, chickpea or kidney from the nuts, proteins, fats and carbohydrates are from the sugar and iron. Banana, sugar, some minerals and fiber. Boiled egg, protein, fats, some vitamins and minerals. We need variety in our diet to get all the type of food constituents. Thank you.